Hi everybody. We will now talking about branching. Branching is make options on a program with certain condition. How to do this? A normal program, it contains from start, in the middle the code, and the end of the program. Program with branching has a start and condition 1 with yes or no. If yes, it is follow a code number 1, and then condition 2, if yes, branching to code number 2. If no, go to the end of program, from here or from here. This is a simple description of the branching. Let us take an example. If you want to calculate grade of student from his degree, student and his degree with decision if smaller than 85% or equal greater than or equal 85%. If yes, it is excellent. If no, it is go to end. We can branching also using if statement, then and end if. The code, dime, degree as short. This is definition of the first variable, degree, as type short, and percentage as single. Percentage equal to degree over 380 multiplied by 100 to give the percentage. If percentage greater than 85, then excellent, and end if. Let us try more difficult. If, then, and code, and else, and another code, and end if. The flowchart, entering the degree. If greater than 85, yes, excellent. If no, if greater than 50%, yes, pass. No, fail. And end, go to end. The code, dime degree as short, dime percentage as single, percentage equal degree over 380 multiplied by 100 for percentage. If percentage greater than 85, then excellent. Else, if percentage greater than 50, then pass. Else, fail. End if, and end if, and end program. The blue end if close this if statement here, and the red end if close the bigger if statement over this. This is step 1, 2, 3, if, else, end if, and here if, else, end if, and end the program. Is there other thing simple? Yes. You can use branch more, use select case. Select case is more simple. Select case, case, and end select. This is the statements. The definition of the variable as before, and then you write select case percentage. Case from 50 to 64 past, case, another case from 64 to 74, good. Case from 75 to 84, very good. Case greater than or equal to 85, it is excellent. You can add many functions in case. In select case, you can add many functions and end with end select. Thank you for your listening, and see you in the next lecture.